a star-studded Thursday night in Los Angeles, where the city's glitterati gathered at the DGA Theater complex. The occasion? The premiere of Zoe Kravitz's directorial debut, Blink Twice. But let's be real, while everyone was eager to catch the film, the real buzz was about Zoe herself, who stepped onto the red carpet and redefined what it means to be effortlessly chic. Now, if you've been following Zoe's style journey, you'll know that she's never been one to shy away from making a statement. And Thursday night was no different. In a moment that felt almost like a scene from an old Hollywood movie, Zoe floated onto the red carpet in a silk satin Saint Laurent by Anthony Vaccarello gown. The dress was everything you'd expect from Zoe, sleek, backless, with a sophisticated bow that added just the right touch of drama. She paired it with Saint Laurent's raven satin slingback pumps and bespoke Jessica McCormack earrings, because why settle for anything less? But here's the twist that had everyone talking. Zoe wasn't alone. For the first time, she made her red carpet debut with fiancé Channing Tatum by her side. Talk about a power couple. They were the epitome of Hollywood glam, and their chemistry was undeniable, much to the delight of fans and photographers alike. Fast forward to Sunday, and Zoe was in London for a photo call, once again proving why she's a force in fashion. This time, she chose a look from Saint Laurent's pre-fall 2024 collection. Now at first glance, this outfit might seem a bit too relaxed, a lace tank top paired with a wrap pencil skirt. But here's the thing, Zoe's style is all about that effortless cool. The look had a hint of early 90s nostalgia, with just enough skin showing to keep things interesting. While some might think this look was too laid back for a photo call, Zoe showed us the beauty of simplicity. With the addition of Saint Laurent SL, 7521 jean sunglasses, and Lee slingback pumps, she turned what could have been an understated outfit into a fashion moment. Zoe doesn't need flashy gowns or over-the-top designs to make a statement. Her style speaks for itself, and it's always saying, "I've got this." And then, just when you thought Zoe couldn't top herself, she turned up the heat at the European premiere of Blink Twice in a slinky crimson silk gown that had everyone looking twice. The gown, another stunning piece by Saint Laurent, was daring yet demure, perfectly reflecting Zoe's bold yet refined style. With her hair slicked back into a chic chignon bun, simple diamond drop earrings, and a Merlot lip, she was the definition of understated glamour. Of course, she wasn't alone. Her fiancé, Channing Tatum, and her rockstar father, Lenny Kravitz, were right by her side, each looking equally stylish in their Saint Laurent ensembles. It's clear that good taste runs in the family, and together they were a fashion trifecta that had everyone talking. Zoe Kravitz isn't just a fashion icon, she's a master of making her style look effortless, intentional, and authentically her. Whether she's on the red carpet or at a low-key photo call, Zoe's fashion choices are a lesson in the art of chic minimalism. And if there's one thing we've learned from her, it's that sometimes the most powerful fashion moments are the ones that whisper, not shout. After all, true style isn't about what you wear, it's about how you wear it. And Zoe? She wears it like no one else.